Dan is a professional person who's not generating enough income. He's looking for a fresh start and a new business opportunity. Dan began investigating franchise options that he saw on Google. That's when he discovered hefty startup costs and the franchise fee, and then a marketing fee and more hidden fees. That's when he came across Duplex business opportunities at duplexcleaning.com.au. Duplex specializes in equipment distributions and offers award-winning products with 30 years of experienced national business. Duplex provides expert training, marketing support, and the right advice. No hefty startup costs, no ongoing franchise fees, and very easy to set up. Dan now joins the Duplex team and offers his customers good quality products that solve customer problems, builds the business, and generates more income. Dan has regular clients in several industries: hospitals, aged care, hotels, automotive, contract cleaners, restaurants, factories, wineries, and more. Find out how you, like Dan, can become a Duplex distributor at duplexcleaning.com.au.